Okay, POV, and someone calls you in 1 minute and cuts the phone. 3, 2, 1. So, hey guys, it's me. Wait, what? 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 Okay. Hey guys, it's me. Now I'm gonna show you. Like, I have another phone, so like y'all. So comparatively, my friend just called me like a minute ago. Okay, and now this what I was doing. So let me show you. So y'all, I was like at the WhatsApp. I was just watching TikTok like light, and then Harry called me. And I was like, Connie, she didn't went to the sports day. Then I remembered, oh, Howie went with her phone for the sports day. Then I'm like, let me just receive. And then look, she called me. And then this cowboy who's called Baraka Mazai, he told me that Brandon miss me. Me, I'm like, bro, you and then I said, Mwambie that I'm not his type. And I told them to say hi to Chabiki, and I told them to search my YouTube and this man who's called La Robens to search. Now this what I was doing, even voice chat. Like I didn't want to type, so yeah. POV, this is now my friend be like this. Like this is so romantic. I don't know why I'm saying this is so romantic, but so yeah, this is the end of the video. I just wanna say like y'all subscribe, comment, say wow to me, or say wow, this is my first time to see you, because I'm gonna make a TikTok, like a TikTok video, like for the shorts, like it's like shorts. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then but for the other family. So yep, y'all, bye, see you later. I'm gonna make another video. Peace out. Ding.